If you need digital accessibility assistance, submit a request at drcog.org/access or call 303-455-1000. Please expect a response within 72 hours or 3 business days. Establishing a healthy, well-used, connected multimodal region means ensuring the transportation system is safe and that people are confident using it. The Safer Streets Practice Park in Littleton gives people of all ages and abilities a safe, car-free environment to practice biking, walking, and rolling. It's a miniature street network located at the East Community Center and open to the public year-round. Also known as a traffic garden, the Safer Streets Practice Park is a hands-on educational tool and community gathering space. Many partners contributed to the park's amenities. The Littleton Public Schools Foundation provided a dozen loaner bicycles and helmets, and the City of Littleton offers free Learn to Ride classes with Bicycle Colorado. The park aims to build the skills and confidence that people need to use active transportation. Let's hear more from Emily Kleinfelter with the City of Littleton.
We worked with East Community Center to identify how we can use this space while still retaining a lot of space here for the playground and for basketball or other games. And then since it's been built, we've been working really frequently with Bicycle Colorado. We host about 2 Learn to Ride classes a month. Some are for adults, most are for youth, and they're totally free for folks to attend.
The Safer Streets Practice Park serves as a model for what community collaboration can do. A community design for physical activity grant from the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment ensured active transportation programming can be achieved with modest resources. Cities can adapt a variety of sites, such as parking lots and local parks, to be miniature street networks for residents to learn how to walk, ride, and roll safely. Congratulations to the Safer Streets Practice Park as a 2026 MetroVision Award winner.